Is your PC stuck in 2010? Stop the lag and frame drops now. The problem isn't your hardware, it's how Windows is configured. Welcome to the 2026 Ultimate Performance Guide by Tech Word Omid. Today, we are fixing your boot speed, unlocking the hidden ultimate power plan, automating your storage cleanup, and using the instant response UI trick. By the end of this video, your PC will feel brand new. Let's get fast. First thing first, startup and background apps. Let's get into it. The number one reason your PC feels slow the moment you turn it on, startup apps. Every time you install an app, it tries to sneak into your boot sequence. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and head over to Startup Apps. Look at the startup impact column. If you see high on apps like Steam, Spotify, WhatsApp, or even OneDrive, right-click on it and disable it. Don't worry, the app isn't deleted. It just won't start until you actually click on it. This saves you tons of processing and RAM when you just turn on your laptop or PC. The second is the ultimate performance mode. Let's see how we can configure that. Alright, the next method is the ultimate performance power plan. Now for the secret sauce, most Windows PCs are set to balance mode to save energy, which actually throttles your CPU. We want to unlock ultimate performance. Search for CMD and right-click, open as administrator. And then copy this command. I will put it in the description. Hit enter. Now you go to your control panel, search for power options. And you can see a brand new hidden tier, ultimate performance. This reduces micro latencies and keeps your hardware ready to hit max speed instantly. If you are on a laptop, only turn this on when you are plugged in. The third method is the storage and temp file automation. Let's see how we can configure that. In this section, we are going to work on the storage and temp file automation. Manual cleaning is a waste of time in 2026. Let's automate it. Go to Setting, opening the Start menu, click on Setting, System, and Storage. You're just going to scroll down, go to Storage Sense. We're just going to turn this on and open it, and then change the Run Storage Sense to every week. This feature automatically wipes your temporary files and empties your recycle bin, so your SSD never hits that red bar of death. A full SSD is a slow SSD, so keeping at least 20% of your drive free is crucial for performance. The last but not least is the instant response trick. Let's see how we can configure that to get the best out of it. Okay, in this method, we are talking about the instant response trick. Most people don't realize that Windows uses a huge amount of resources just to make Windows look pretty, with blur and fade effects. Let's disable those for an instant speed boost. Go to Settings, Accessibility, and Visual Effects. Toggle the transparency effect off. This stops your GPU from constantly calculating the blur behind every window. Next, turn off animation effects. Instead of windows slowly sliding open, they snap into place instantly. Your PC will feel twice as responsive immediately, especially on older laptops or budget setups. Your PC is now optimized for 2026. Enjoy the speed boost. Subscribe to Tech Word Omid for more tech secrets. See you next time.